YouTube, what it is, gang? Back in this thing with another video. It's cold out here, but it's sunny, so I can't complain. Man, we ain't got a lot going on with the car today. But I am going to get a barbell though, man. My bench barbell broke, man. So I jumped on Craigslist to find me one, man. I found somebody selling one for $100, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and go get up on that. But before we do so, see Big Blue and my bodyguard back there. Dirty than a jump mark too, but get y'all this cold start, man. We gonna go ahead and get our day started, man. This beautiful Saturday morning, man. Look at that sun. That sun is beautiful. I don't care how cold it get, to be honest, y'all. If the sun is out, I'm cool with it. But let me get y'all this cold start here. Yes, sir. What y'all think about that joint right there? I think that joint kind of clean. Got the interior done on that joint. Got just the red trimming on it. Got that joint looking nice. Color on that joint crazy. Copyright on the video. That joint is crazy. Oh yeah, he see me looking at him. Ooh-wee. That joint is crazy. New McLaren. I don't know if it's 2020, but I'm gonna just go ahead and say, matter of fact, I'm gonna say 2021. That joint crazy. Don't even look like it's supposed to be on the street with the rest of these cars. Mook and the V, we always gonna get this footage for y'all though, man. Look, he's smiling. That joke.
My back is against the wall. More bills than money to pay, but I know just who to call on when I need.